Okay, guys, take a look at this. After this ice cream recipe, I will not post again till next year. But this one is a must try. So watch to the end and also help me to share. I'm going to share with you guys how you can make a perfect ice cream with your tiger nuts and dates. So if you're using dry tiger nuts, soak it in the water and then allow it to soft. Put it in your blender together with your date. Blend very smooth. Just the process of doing tiger nut milk. Sieve it, separate the chaff from the milk, and then that is where the main magic begins. So once I'm done sieving it out, I'm going to set it aside. Another thing you need for this recipe is your whipping powder or maybe whipping cream, anyone way you call it. But na powder on I dey use. So I bought the sachet on this time because I don't tell myself I need to do ice cream again. So I went in with the sachet of whipping powder into it like this. And then I mix it up a little bit, use my mixer to mix it very, very well until it thickens or it double in size, just like you see. And then I went in with condensed milk, and then I'm going to mix it up very well. I also added some vanilla flavor on it because my daughter, they like vanilla ice cream. He don't tell me, say, Mommy, when are you going to buy vanilla ice cream? I said, don't worry, but she don't know what I did do. So I mix it up very well and then transfer it into your ice cream container. So to wrap it up, I have vanilla ice cream container. Next, I added some chocolate chips on top of it. If you don't have chocolate chips, maybe you get like chocolate, break and put inside, we move. Or if you get Oreo biscuits, you're still going to make it nice. Add some Oreo biscuits on it. But if you don't have all those things, just keep it. Cover and put for freezer, you are good to go. So next, I just cover this part. I put for freezer. While I was transferring this one, the other my son say, Mommy, do you have some caramel? I say, we'll go put caramel on it. So after transferring it on it like this, I come use caramel, put them on top of them. After I don't put my chocolate chips like this, I can add some caramel on it just to beautify it, to make it look like real ice cream. Trust me, you are going to love this one. So I decided to go in with some caramel on it. I added on the first one as well. And then I cover, put it in the freezer, allow it to stay for about 8 hours. And then that is it, guys. Take a look at this. And now tell me in the comment section, does this right here look like something you are going to try? This worth trying. Honestly, you are going to love it. Your days of buying Mr. Big's ice cream is over. Try this ice cream. Come back and drop your comments in the comment section. If you find this video helpful, help me to share them. I want this video to get 1 million views. Help me share them so that other mothers will learn too and stop wasting money. Take a look at this. Thank you for watching. See you on my next one. Bye.